We want them to take action. Get the dialogue started. Do they get the free ad? No, they pay a price. What's the price? They give us an email address. What happens to the email address? It drops into your contact management system. Now you drip them. Educational articles. You'll have 3 phases to your business: before, during, and after. Let's assign them the before phase. So you drip them all these educational offers about how to sell or how to buy. That's why your site needs to be split in 2. Buyers over here, sellers over here. Oh good, they clicked the downloaded, the free report, how to sell your home for top dollar in 30 days or less without a broker. They're not probably home buyers, they're probably home sellers. Let's put them on our drip system and drip these home selling educational pieces to them every 3 or 4 days or weekly. And follow up and follow up and follow up and follow up. So the second step is engage. So it's interrupt something familiar, unusual, or problematic. Practice writing headlines. The great thing about email, you get 2 bites at the apple. Your subject line is your first headline. If your subject line sucks pond water, they're not going to open the bloody thing. Right? They're going to go, click. You got that long. That's what we're selling, right? You, your house, your service. Are you marketing DISC with psychographic, demographic, geographic? Write that ad. There's an announcement or an ad. We're writing ads. We interrupt them, we engage them, we get them, we want them to read this. Be brief, be descriptive. A picture's worth 1,000 what? Words. Paint the picture. So there are 3 purposes to a business. The first one is to give you your life. The second one is to solve a problem. The third one is to add value. Solve a problem. The bigger the problem, the bigger the check. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you'll make. Okay, then educate. Step 3. It's not about you or how great you are. Look at all your marketing. Take you, me, mine, I. Take all that stuff out starting today. Get it out of there. When they say you're just looking, 90% of them are lying. They're looking, but when they see it, they're going to buy it. So your job is to find out what their time horizons are. But for now, we just want to educate, build credibility, nurture that relationship,